One of the finer parts of the details that we program with, we start to use tempo to describe the amount of time that we work through one full part of the movement of the exercise we're going to give you within a program. It can be broken down into 4 numbers. Each number will dictate what part of the movement you are going to spend the time. The first number is going to be the part of the movement where the muscle is lengthening, or you could be lowering the bar or dumbbell within the movement. The second number is going to be how long you stay in the stretched position for the muscle you're training. Third number is going to be how long it takes you to move back through the range of motion. And the fourth number is going to be how long you stay at the top or the shortened position for the muscle you're training. Let's break this down into an exercise. Look at the bicep so you can see how we start to move through the movement. The first number in this tempo prescription is 40x0. So that will mean as I lower the dumbbell from here, my muscle will lengthen all the way down and I will take 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. So you want to perform that within 4 seconds. The second digit will perform how long you stay in that shortened position, and you notice there's a 0. So that means you will come straight back up and shorten the muscle. The third digit would be an X. That means explode as fast as you can. Fire up the muscle fibers that you're trying to train and fatigue hard as possible. So here you're going to be performing the movement as fast as possible all the way up. And then notice there's a 0 at the top, which means there's no pause at the top of this movement. So you perform the exercise back down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Fast. 4, 3, 2. Every time you perform one full movement, will be 1 number off your repetition. So you do that movement with that tempo 8 times. If you look at the next tempo in the sequence, there's a 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's look at the bicep again. At the top now, we start to lower down. 3, 2, 1. There's a 2 second at the bottom, so you perform the 2 second pause here. 1, 2. You come up for 1 second, no pause at the top, and you come straight back down for 3 seconds. The difference with this tempo is a 3, 0, 1, 2. So the pause changes at a different position. At the top, we come down 3, 2, 1. Come straight back up for 1, and then you pause 2, 1 seconds at the top. 3, 2, 1. Go through the tempo here. Notice there's longer durations that we work through. So this one will be very slow tempo, and you can have 5 seconds on the way down, no pause at the bottom, 5 seconds on the way up, no pause at the top, and you repeat for the number of repetitions that you are given in the sequence. Here's gone down to a 2-0-2-0, so that would mean that you're moving a little bit faster than the 5-0-5-0, and again, there's a 1-0-1-0, which means you're going to go through the movements quite quick, 1 up, 1 down, with no pauses at the top or bottom.